Virgos, this is Star with Ariana Stark. This is your forecast for the month of March 2021. Like always, I will rely on Tarot for your overall reading and I'll also use some Oracle decks. I'm also being called upon to use this Cartomancy deck that we have here with respect to additional messages from the universe. Virgos, please keep in mind that these are all random messages and they may not be in any particular order. As the final days of February, stepping into March 2021, we have the Wheel of Fortune. You may have felt as though it was a mixed period for you. Perhaps fate had a huge part in your life in this period. Sometimes you may have felt as though everything was going antagonistic or it was going haywire. Your loved ones did rally around you, but then you may have felt that your output was unsatisfactory. For some of you, I'm also picking up that there may have been financial issues that you were dealing with. Possibly somebody was bothering you with respect to money matters. Obstacles to overcome this month, we have the Seven of Cups. You see this lady, she's in a contemplative mood. So in this month, you're going to be quite nostalgic. Or you may feel that there are choices ahead of you. But you may be wondering which choice to go ahead with. For some of you, I'm also picking up that you may be bored with respect to your job. Maybe you feel as though you're not being paid enough despite doing the needful. Largely, I think you'll be very emotional in this month and you may at times also find yourself being accused of meddlesome behavior. So it's better to retreat from situations. Sometimes your loved ones may also feel that you are always thinking about your own interests. On the work front also, I think that you may find that your plans being deferred or maybe there could be delays that you have to be dealing with. Perhaps rescheduling could also be on the cards this month. You may also feel as though you're not being appreciated enough by your superiors. So this kind of discontentment is something which you have to deal with. The influences for the month, we have the Two of Swords. Certainly, there will be times when you'll be undecided about how you should proceed. Incidentally, Virgos, you'll be called upon to be the agony aunt, or somebody could rely upon you for decision making. Maybe you could also be playing the mediatory role, though I did say in this reading that sometimes you may be accused of meddlesome behavior. I think mentally you will be quite active in this period. You will definitely use your brains to find solutions to problems that are there. Maybe you could also deliberate with an elder person, possibly your father or a father figure on the workplace. And you could come away making gains, or you could come away with solutions as well. Basically, the month is going to be very hectic for you, and so you need to pay attention. Sometimes, you could be hauled up for not being attentive enough, or you're not following instructions. That's what the boss may tell you. Also, I think, Virgos, you should be careful because somebody could take credit for whatever your ideas are. I think you should set the record straight, or you should tell the boss that these are your plans and somebody is walking away with the plaudits. This month, you will also be put off by those who seem to cling to you for guidance or for your good counsel, but they forget to oblige you. Maybe you will give them a piece of your mind. You don't want to be taken for granted. The first 10 days of March, we have the Ace of Wands. This period will be marked by a lot of official work, or there will be also increased communication. Another thing, Virgos, I think other people will rally around you and they'll help you get ahead. But you should also be somebody who should extract the payment from your clients before you carry on with the task. Largely, you will have the energy and the support from your trusted area and loved ones. For some of you, I'm also picking up that there could be travel plans, or it's quite likely that there could be movement. Strange acquaintances may also inquire about you through a third person, and you may be aware of it. Maybe there'll also be guests or old acquaintances wanting to enter your life or wanting to pay a visit to you, but then you may not be welcoming them, or you may not receive them warmly. Sometimes while working also, you may feel that your views are being ignored. Perhaps you feel that the boss should also pay heed to whatever you are trying to say. Maybe you have issues with a particular junior and you want the management to pay attention. Maybe you think that this person is someone who needs to be sacked or who should get the boot. Between 1st to 10th March, I'm also picking up that you will receive compliments or you will also get gifts from your loved ones. Some kind of gain can be expected. The next 10 days, that is between 11th to 20th March, we have the Four of Cups. Again, it talks about emotional discontentment here. This lady and this picture right here, Seven of Cups, it all talks about emotionally you feel all at sea. Maybe you could also feel that people are two-faced because in this reading it did come up that you may find that colleagues or people around you are only taking you for granted. This is why you desire appreciation in this period. Nonetheless, I think somebody will watch your back or somebody could come forward when you require money or when you need financial assistance. So everything will fall in place. Many of you may also be on the lookout for jobs in this period. Maybe there could be outstation offers, but then it may not excite you. Maybe the job profile is also something which is not to your liking. In these days also you may find that your schedules will be disrupted. Maybe you are unsure how you will proceed, but you will complete a lot of tasks in this. Sometimes you may also take a nap or you may take rest, but then when you wake up you feel that time is gone. But it's no point crying over spilled milk. Eventually you will definitely push the envelope and you will be able to complete what had been dragging for days, or maybe it's those tasks which you had put off in the past. You'll find that you'll be able to complete all of them. There are also choices that are there going to be in this period, possibly with respect to matters of the heart or with respect to your professional life as well. I think you should be quoting a higher price when it comes to clients. The last few days, that is 21st to 31st March, we have the Queen of Swords. In this period, Virgos, you're coming across as someone who's quite intelligent, who will use your mental faculties to good effect. I'm also picking up that you could have a no-nonsense approach or attitude. You will want to get on with the work. You're going to be someone who is going to be a bit impatient because you want everything to be done. Even if you're not going to show it, or even if it's not visible to others, but you want the tasks to be done the way you desire. Attention is quite likely because of the way you carry on with the work. Your professional approach, your focus is definitely going to be noticed by people around you. Money or wages could also come in this period. I think while working also, you're someone who will focus on the groundwork. Maybe there'll be rescheduling of meetings, or sometimes in personal relationships also you may come across as someone who's quite aloof and standoffish. Perhaps this approach helps you achieve your ends. Also, there are times when you may not want to explain yourself to other people. That is why you will keep to yourself. Interestingly, in this month, I think you should also focus on spiritual cleansing because there's also negative energy around you which you have to handle. Maybe you should also be aware of the evil eye. With respect to your love life, I have the card, it's easier to just stay away right now. Possibly Virgos, you may want to detach yourself from the situation even if there are admirers. Like I said, we also had the Queen of Swords in this reading. So you are coming across as a very dignified lady, but who would want to keep to herself. There'll also be unwanted attention. Maybe there'll be stalkers as well who will keep an eye on you. So you need to be careful about that. Largely, I think Virgos, you are coming across as someone who's a heartbreaker, because you will ignore several members of the opposite sex. In case you're crushing on someone, I think you will definitely make an effort to reach out to the person, but then at times you could also have those thoughts in your head that why should you always take the initiative. Maybe you're also trying to renew contact with someone who has stirred up feelings in your heart. Like I said, this card is easier to stay away. Maybe there are times when you're always in two minds about whether to proceed. You may also feel that you had your chances with the opposite sex, but then you didn't take those chances, so it's no point crying over spilled milk. Those who are romancing, I think you may feel that your thoughts and your lover's thoughts are aligned, or you are in sync with each other. Maybe you have the same thoughts and views with respect to work as well. I think your lover or your partner is someone who's going to assist you at work. Oftentimes you may find that he becomes emotional as the evening sets in. So maybe you should prolong the conversation and continue with the messages. There'll also be sexual tension that you're going to deal with in this month. However, I think those of you who are in a secret relationship, you should be careful because someone could tattle about your love life to family elders or maybe to other people, and you don't want the cat to be out of the bag. Largely, I think your lover is someone who is going to appreciate your talents, or he may agree that you are someone who needs to be admired because of your gifts, your mental faculties, that is. Married ones, I think you should avoid disagreements with your partner in case you're in an unhappy relationship or in case you're in an unhappy marriage. I think you may find that a third person could be there who is creating disagreements between you and your person. So, Virgos, I think you should keep your temper under control. Your spouse could also be someone who could accuse you of being inattentive. Maybe there are times when you should hold your tongue because you may come across as someone who is offensive. So your person may want to stay away from you or put an end to the conversation. So this is why this card, it's easier to just stay away right now, could ring a bell for many Virgos. We have this card and we also have the Queen of Diamonds in your reading. So minor gains can be expected for Virgos in this month, but like I said, you should also be careful of betrayal. Perhaps secrets will also come out in the open. Lastly, we have the card sensitivity. You are becoming more sensitive and need to make changes accordingly. You know, Virgos, this card talks about you becoming aware of your environment, your energy. Maybe you want everybody to align with how you are as a person, but there are disagreements with people around. Maybe you are not matching up with those who are your colleagues. Their energy does not seem to gel with you. They do not give you the good vibes. Some of you may also contemplate about moving out of your present job situation. Maybe you are looking for another job opening as well because you want a more healthy work environment. When you are attuned to your inner being, then obviously you become more intuitive and it helps you to make those right decisions. This is why, Virgos, I think you should listen to your inner voice rather than disregard it. I hope, Virgos, you liked your reading. This is Star with Ariana Stark. Please give us your feedback in the comment section. We also have the weekly love reading which is published every week. Have a look at that as well to get greater insight into your love life. This is Ariana Stark signing off. Take care. Bye till the next time.